See, sketching. Okay, now, okay. First, let me go to this here. Now we'll be sketching this one, this component. Okay, now for the baseline, I'm selecting XY as a baseline. Look at now sketching. Now here, you see, it is a circle. Diameter is a 65. So let's just draw a circle. Circle P, circle, dimension 65. Sorry, 65. Okay, now here we have hexagon. Now we'll draw this one. Now how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 6 sides. Okay. Draw. You have polygon option. You draw. You need n equals to 6 because you have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 6. Hence it is 6. Okay. Now put here point. You see C, it means you are at a construction line. So okay. See now, okay, this is 20. Now dimension 20. So this is constraint. This your is constraint. Now let me just draw what a okay. Now we need to draw two circles of radius 65, and there is another. Okay, this dimension is not specified. Okay, we'll draw. I'm going with a circle. You can go with an arc, but I'm going with a circle. Okay. Okay, circle dimensions of 65. 65. Okay, let me just delete this one. This sketch, I'm deleting it. We'll draw this one. Okay, now I'm drawing a circle. Okay, circle, dimension, length from here to this center point. It is 145 and radius is 12. Okay. 145. 145 and the radius is 12. This is 12. Okay. Now I'm going to draw a straight line. Here is C, vertical. Now I'm going to arc. At this point. Okay. Now dimension. Now I'm going to give radius. This radius is 65. Okay. Radius is 65. You see, this green line. This is just an extended of this particular arc. It doesn't include in our sketching. This is just to give dimension. This has nothing to do with our sketching. So Now I'm going to replicate this same thing. Instead of just drawing it, I'll just replicate it. Replicate. Now I need to replicate this one as well as this one. Now set paste handle. Now flip horizontal. I need on the, I'm just flipping it on horizontal. Okay, see. Now escape. See, you are done. It's exactly like this with all the dimensions mentioned. We have done this. So with this, I think I have used most of the tools in Sketch